Alright guys, we're back with the Hexxit tutorial, and I'll just be showing you guys all the updates because we're on 1.0.10 at the moment, and how to fix some common problems that people have been having. Alright, let's get down to it. Okay, obviously first you're going to have to download Hexxit server zip. That you can find it on the TechnicPack website, technicpack.net/Hexxit. Download the normal Hexxit server, okay, and also gonna have to open up this link, this exact link. I'll put it in the description because this is MCPC Plus have done updates to their Java jar file thing for the plugins, and Hexxit is still on 1.5.2 and they're on 1.7.2. yeah, and so you have to get to this exact link that I'll put in the description. But anyway, first download the Hexxit server from technicpack.net/Hexxit, and create a file on your desktop or in documents, wherever you want to save it. And you're going to open the zip file. Shouldn't take too long. And we're there. Right. Get rid of this. Don't need it. Right, there goes trash. Okay, we've got launch.sh and launch.bat, which is for Windows and Linux, obviously. Move that trash. Not requiring that anymore. And we're going to get this. We're going to open up a new text edit document. Format. Make plain text, and we're going to get this code, which will be in the video description. This one, hashtag bin bash cd directory name, which is obviously a thing, java launch hexxit.jar -0 true. This part, if you haven't bought Minecraft, I'm not sure if it works with Technic, but just set this to false on keyboard. Just set this to false, but it's going to be untrue for the video. I'm not showing you how to get cracked Hexxit accounts, but true if you have premium account, and false if you got a cracked account. Right, I'm going to save this as start. Goodness gracious me. Start_server.command. Don't forget the extension, and tick that. Save it to your desktop. Close that. Drag it here. So we've got a start_server.command file made, and we're gonna have to look. Say if I try and execute it, it won't work because it's inefficient privileges. So open up a new terminal. Right, if you don't know where terminal is, you're gonna go applications, where it's on my other screen. Go applications, scroll down to near the bottom, utilities, scroll down, you got terminal there, and just open it. Right, so what we're going to have to type in is chmod, I think it's A+X space. So if that doesn't work, yeah, I think this has worked. Or if that doesn't work, because it doesn't work for some people, but chmod +X space, drag the file in and click enter. Right, we can close terminal, and we can see it's loading all the files and stuff. And all you need to see in terminal when you type in chmod A+X, all you need to get is just your, if it has it, you just get, like, that's my name, or my username, and it comes up with your username in the terminal window. So it's just starting up the server. You got the console here showing everything that's happening, and you got this thing. Right, so if it works, wait for it to load. Okay, I'll come back once it's finished loading. it should come up with like preparing spawn area, and you might get a few errors in here because it needs to load the files for the first time. So once it gets to 100%, I think it should be loaded. I'll come back after. Is loading. I think it would be a great time to go to the MCPC Plus and download it. So it does take quite a while. So you're going to go ci.md-5.net/job/mcpc-plus-legacy/653/. Put that link in the description, but go to that. You go to it and you'll come up with this exact build. You're going to want to download this file, the first file you see. It's the B type file. You need to download B653, which is the build 653. Yeah, once you downloaded that, I think it's finished. Done. Yeah, it comes up with done, and you know you're finished. And what we want to type in now is stop, and it might come up with can't keep up messages a few times, maybe because it's first time, and you might want to change the RAM and stuff. That might help in the start server command. Oops, close that, open with text edit. If you want to change your RAM, so that's 1 GB at the moment, and if you want to put on megabytes, just put like 512 MB. Yeah. Right, process completed. Close that. Close terminal. Sometimes here's a problem that some people might be having. You can't launch it after you closed it. You need to go to. It comes up with like Java errors, like an instance of this is already running. So what you want to do is go to Applications, Utilities again near the bottom. Open it up. Go to Activity Monitor, and you're gonna put it in name order. And you're gonna look for anything to do with Java, and if there's like, say, pretend quick look helpers to do with Java, then you just quit the process, force quit it, and then you should be able to open it again. Right, once we've got all this done and it's opened up the Hexxit.jar, you're gonna move this to trash. You need to download MCPC Plus from their website and drag it into the Hexxit server folder. Then you want to name it Hexxit.jar. Simple, easy as, we've done that. Start_server.command, and it'll load a few more files, and it'll create a folder, hopefully. Create a folder. Yeah, you got your bucket.yml and the server logs and stuff will load, but I think it creates a folder, plugins folder for you now. Alright, if it loads. This takes a while to load up all the mods and stuff, I believe. Right, if it's loaded, yeah, we got ourselves our plugins folder. Believe this plugin metrics. Believe it is to do with. It's got a special key that you need, I think. Anyway, we've got our plugins folder, and yeah, arranged by name, helpful so that you can get stuff organized. And don't know where it's gone. Here it is. Gonna want to type in stop. You don't get the original like Minecraft window, like a normal Minecraft server anymore. It's like a bucket server where you just get a plain bucket thing. And to get gonna just get some plugins to test it out. No. Right, let's just get from this Hexxit server. We must have some plugins. Yeah, we got some plugins. Okay, so let's get world edit. Let's paste world edit in there. Put it in the plugins folder. And well, God. And let's start up the server. And start up Technic. It's gonna load all the plugins that you put. And if you, it's easier to do, like, say I put World Guard and World Edit in. They shouldn't collide because they're made by the same author. But put like plugins in at like literally one at a time, unless it's World Guard and World Edit. Otherwise, if your server does crash, start having problems, you can locate easily what's making it crash. Or unless you're gonna have to look through all this and try and find what's actually creating the problem. Okay, so it's going to be starting on the port 25565. To go on your server from your computer, you just have to go onto localhost. If you want to, you can put the port in if you change the port, but default port's 25565, so localhost just takes you straight to the server. And Hex takes quite a while to load for some reason, I'm not sure why, haven't played in it for a while, but once it does load, we can go on to multiplayer. I'll just do a direct connect to my server, unless I've got already got it entered in. Right, I think the server's finished. See, look, it's like loading all the World Guard permissions now. It's finished, you can connect, but it still has to load some things, I think. This is taking ridiculously long. Right. Is it gonna load? Right, it's loaded. Multiplayer. And I've got one already done, so a Hexxit server. Right, join server. Need to op myself. I'm gonna op myself. Oh my goodness. Oh god. I'm dying. I spawned in a hole. Right, I died because I spawned in the ground. Might do that sometimes, but when you die, you'll spawn up here. And I think I just lost one of the files. Oh well, it's kind of laggy at the moment, but add more RAM and it'll be less laggy. But just to prove it's got plugins, go -pl. We got World Edit and World Guard. -1 to show that it's all working. 1 position, 2nd position, --set grass, something, and it'll set it all to grass. Right, now you want to learn how to let your other friends play on the server, don't you? -stop, stop the server, and we're going to do some port forwarding. I'll show you how to do it. I'm using an Apple router, and they have an app specifically made in utilities called Airport Utility. So I'll show you how to do it on this computer on a Mac with Airport Utility currently. So you're going to go to Network, and you've got port settings, you've got description, and I got my bucket server, Gmod, and Gmod. If I do the bucket server, it's set on 255.6.5, and it's got my private IP and stuff. Just if you do it in 255.6.5, it's going to be for all default Minecraft servers. If you want a Hexxit server and a normal Minecraft server and a bucket server, vanilla bucket, Hexxit, you can set separate ports for each of them. So you set private UDP, public UDP, and TCP. Say I set it 255.6.8, then they'll connect using 255.6.8. And then you just click update, and it's going to update it. But if the world was perfect, everyone would have Airport Utility. There'll be one router, but it's not like that. You got BT and Sky and Talk in England and stuff. But if my router resets, I don't even know where it's gone. Right, where is it? Applications, utilities, Airport Utility. Right, it's still loading. Takes a while, shouldn't have clicked update. Right, I'll come back once it's back, once the internet's back online. And I'll show you what to do. portforward.com. I believe that's the website. Right, this is the website. Go on to portforward.com, and how to port forward. They have a specific guide for Minecraft. It's quite good website and stuff. It shows you the IP here that people use to connect to your server once you have port forwarded. Right, guides. Click guides. Port forwarding guides by router. Right, I'll go to Netgear because that's quite common. Router Netgear. Okay, so you go on to your ad blocker, pause ad block. Okay, so come up with that, just click close, and you'll look for your router. I'll just say GCG 3000. I know that's one that does work. And now it will come up with a list of games to port forward. Scroll down, and we're going to be looking for Minecraft. Minecraft server. Okay. So it's going to come up with all this. Okay, you have to set up a static IP and stuff, yeah. So it comes up with like what to do with your router and stuff, and this is if you have the Netgear one and stuff. But yeah, you just go to like whatever router you have, Philips one, whatever. And yeah, even if I've gone to Philips, it just comes up with all the games that you can port forward with. Go down to M again. You've got Minecraft server, it's the one in the corner there, but yeah, I'll put that link in the description. And once you port forwarded, all your friends come on your server and play with you, play some Hexxit, or even if you need to use this guide for bucket server, it still works like that. Anyway, have a good day, guys, and if you have any problems, just post in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day and live life.